Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade's powerful trading platform designed for active investors. Whether you're into stocks, options, or futures, this platform offers advanced tools and analysis to help you make informed trading decisions. Let's get started. Download and set up Thinkorswim. Visit the TD Ameritrade website to download the Thinkorswim platform. After installation, log in with your TD Ameritrade account credentials to access its features. Customize your dashboard. The platform's layout is highly customizable. Arrange widgets such as watch lists, charts, and news feeds to create a workspace tailored to your trading style. Use advanced charting tools. Thinkorswim offers a wide range of technical indicators and drawing tools for in-depth chart analysis. Access real-time data and overlay indicators to analyze trends and patterns effectively. Execute trades. Navigate to the Trade tab to place orders for stocks, options, or other assets. The intuitive interface allows you to select order types, set limits, and manage positions with ease. Test strategies with paper money. Practice trading without risk using the paper money feature, a simulated trading environment that mimics real market conditions. It's an excellent way to refine strategies before using real funds. Explore educational resources. Take advantage of the platform's built-in tutorials, webinars, and market insights to deepen your understanding of trading strategies and tools. Thinkorswim is an indispensable tool for active traders, offering everything from detailed analytics to robust trading capabilities. Have you used Thinkorswim for your trading needs? Share your tips and experiences in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert guides. See you in the next one.